Hello my friends, this is Chef Maria Cata, and today I want to give you some tips about how to minimize your waste and maximize your budget. And we're going to be talking about planning your weekly menu. What's the best way? Getting the family together, write their preferences, choices, and recommendations. And then after that, you make your shopping list where you can involve the whole family going together to the supermarket, to the fresh market. Make sure you buy ingredients according to the season, whatever is available. Buy local food from local growers. Support local businesses. Also, when you get home, after that, you should prepare all the ingredients to be ready to eat and to consume. All the fruits cut up, all the vegetables like sliced, the most common cuts that you use, and then prepare them for you to just open the fridge, take them out, and cook. That will be a way to get people to cook faster, and the kids will be less intimidated to come and cook. And you can also control how is the shelf life of every ingredient. And if you see that you have too much of something, keep it fresh so you can consume the ingredient at its best, and then the rest you can freeze it so you can use it later on. Also, remember that all the vegetables and the fruits, they change the texture, and the texture is not the same way after you freeze it. So this could be consumed as different purposes. Could be for soups, for stews, for baking, for different stuff. So we have some secrets here, how to minimize your waste and maximize your budget.